All right, friends, welcome back to Mathematics Made Easy tutorials. Please, once again, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that. Just press that button and go and follow our Facebook page. Also, share and recommend our content to friends, as many you know that will benefit from this channel. We are here making mathematics easy for as many that find it very difficult to flow with the concepts and principles of mathematics. Today we are going to continue with our 20 problems on calculus, and this is part 3 of this series. Today we're looking at problem 5 and 6. Now problem 5, we have to solve y if y equal to x squared, square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. How do we find dy over dx? What is the derivative of this function? Let's watch that. Now, solution is quite easy. So in this case is a case of product combined with function of a function. I'll take with you bit by bit. I'll break it down and made it, as promised, very easy for you to understand. Let's go. This is a case of you have y equal to uv. It's a product case in the first instance. Now, see u as 2x multiplying the square root as v 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. So, what the rule? Product rule, keep one, differentiate plus the reversal. Alright, so this time I have decided to keep 2x. Of course, look at x squared. We differentiate that first, giving us 2x. We are keeping our v, which is the square root. We didn't touch it. So square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. That's pretty easy, right? Wow. All right. Plus, next thing we now did is to do the reversal, which is quite a little bit tricky and pretty difficult, but I promise I'll make it easy for us. So what we are doing next is to keep our u, which is x squared, constant. We have to differentiate square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. Of course, the result is simple. We are going to have the result as 1 over 2 minus 4 plus 4x, all divided by the square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. Some will be wondering, you promise mathematics made easy, and it's not easy at all. All right, watch out at a notes corner. How do we got this result? Very simple. Notes. If truly y equals the square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared, how do I go about it? This problem alone is a function and function problem. So you're going to apply the principle of chain rule. So how do I do it? First and foremost, note that square root is half. So y equal to 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared raised to half. I've removed the square root and I replaced it as half because square root in law of indices is half. Of course, differentiating this function, applying the principle of chain rule, I'll differentiate half. So the power minus, remember, when you have a equal to xan, the differential is always the power times the coefficient. So our power this time is half. Half times coefficient, which is 1, is going to give us 1 over 2. That's half we are saying. I will differentiate the function given to me, which is 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared, which I have 3 is constant 0, minus 4x will give me minus 4, and 2x squared will give me plus 4x. Of course, then remember, after the power minus 1, so I will reduce my half by 1. So half minus 1, of course, will give me minus half. Minus half. So what I'm having there is simply all that I have minus half. Let's say you have a raised to minus half. If you have a raised to minus half, law of indices, negative law says don't disturb yourself. Simply 1 over a of half. Of course, we said half is square root, so it can be written as 1 all over square root of a. So, a minus half is the same as 1 over the square root of what is there. So, our result will be minus, of course, half was there, so half will go in, minus 4 over 2, giving us minus 2, minus 4x plus 4x over 2 going to give us 2x. So our final result for the differential of square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared is minus 2 plus 2x all divided by square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. I think it makes sense. So right, let's continue with our results. So using that that's what I used. So this is the result, half into minus 4 plus 4x all divided by square root of 3 minus 4x plus 2x squared. Alright, expanding and simplifying, which as I explained earlier on, 2 we cancel out minus 4 to give us minus